In the previous video, we have learned how to create the ordered list. Now in this video, we are going to learn how to create unordered list where we are using the symbols. So let's start with this. As over here, I have used OL for ordered list. So can you guess what will be the attribute for creating unordered list? Yes, you are right. It's going to be UL. UL stand for unordered list. So that's it. This is the only change that I want to do in my list, and save and refresh your web page. Let's see how does it will look. So can you see over here, I have just changed this at tag. Instead of OL I have used UL, and rest LI will be same, so your bullets are pairing. Now over here in UL there is only one attribute, and that is type. Which kind of uh, list you want? Like if I give the square, so it is going to take squares as bullets. Save it and then refresh your web page. So as you can see that the squares are now being used as bullets. Similarly, you can use disc or circles also. So let's see how we can use this. So instead of squares, I'm going to write circles. By default, it will, the bullets are known as disk in HTML. So if you want them as a small circle, just write circle, and this is how the small circles will appear in your list. So if you simply give UL, it will be filled, bullets, dark dotted bullets. If you write circle, this will appear like this, and squares will create small squares as bullets. So this is how you simply create the ordered list and unordered list. Now it's time to create nested list. So over here I will change the heading to input and output. So let me start now my ordered list, where I am creating numbers, and my list item are going to be the same. These are my input devices. So my list is going to end here. Ordered list is going to end here, because these three items I want to have in my ordered list. Now the next list item for my upper list is going to be output devices. So one thing I forget, because I have started the unordered list, so I have to define the list item for this as well. So my first list item over here will be input devices. Okay, and then you will close the li tag. Then my second list item in unordered list will be output devices. You will close the li tag over here as well. I'm going to just copy this whole and paste it over here, and then instead of input devices I will write the output devices. Now that is going to be printer, monitor, we write speakers here. Then my OL list will be ended and UL list will be ended. So save and then run it. So you can see over here, as per my code, first I'm starting my unordered list with the circle. Now in this unordered list, my first list item is input devices. So you can see that the first unordered item is input devices. Now under this I have started another list, which is ordered list, right? So you can see 1 2 3, all the input devices are displayed here. Then I have closed this list because my list ends over here, right? Now as per code, my second list item should be output devices. So you can see that this is the list item for my unordered list. I have not closed it yet. So it means this is the list item for unordered list, and then I have created another ordered list over here with the help of OL tag. My list ends with speaker, so I have to close OL tag. Now my whole list, ordered list, unordered list, both are over, so I have closed lastly my unordered list, right? So this is how I can do it. Now if you want to again use the attributes over here, you can use so like type equals to you can say I, and similarly over here equals to, if you want to write a, you can do so, but for making some symmetry or synchronizing it, it's better to give same kind of type. So this is how it will appear. I hope it is clear to you. If you have some doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will clear them. And till then, keep watching, keep sharing, keep learning, and subscribe.